Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to make your Facebook account private. There was a new update on Meta, so things have been changed a little from the previous settings, so let me show you. Let's launch the Facebook app first. Then I want you to click on the lower right corner and click on your profile picture, okay? When you're at your profile, I want you to hit the gear icon at the top right corner. When you're at settings, I want you to click on privacy checkup. This is right over here at tools and resources. When you click on privacy checkup, you will be able to select option number 1, which is the most important one. Who can see what you share? When I click on this one, I will simply have the access to all my information. I can change who can see my profile info, where I live, what I work, where I have a birthday, and all these questions that usually appear on your description, on your bio, on your information about you, which schools you went to, so on and so forth. As well, I can change the privacy. I can make all this private. I can change the privacy on the stories that I'm publishing, on my post, on pictures and videos that I'm tagged, right, from other people. I can simply change the privacy. I can change it to just me, my friends of friends, and I can change it to public, right? Anyone will be able to see it. They don't have to be my friends. If essentially you change the privacy to everything public, right? They don't have to be your friends to see what you have done the last couple of days, weeks, months, and so on. Very important, you can also, making this private, you can block people, and by blocking people you simply hide the list of people that you previously blocked, because otherwise this list will be publicly available. People can see who you previously blocked, and this might be an issue, right? No one wants to get into trouble. So click over here, continue, and go through each of the section, and you will choose which information will remain public, which information will become private, so on and so forth, guys. For more tips and tricks, subscribe and follow for more.